Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage your JavaScript in Avast secure browser. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your JavaScript in Avast secure browser. So the first thing you want to do to manage your JavaScript in Avast secure browser is very helpful for your website games or any games that are including that uses JavaScript in your Avast secure browser. So the first thing you need to do is by clicking on the top right corner, the three dots. Just click on that. Once you click on that, just go down to settings. After clicking on settings, once you are here at settings, just go down until you see site settings and then click on site settings. After clicking on site settings, go down till you reach content. Once you're here at your content, click on JavaScript. After clicking on JavaScript, here you can default behavior. Sites automatically follow these settings when you visit them. So sites usually use JavaScript to display interactive features like video games or web forms. So once you don't allow the sites on to use JavaScript, it won't act as normal as it used to be. And a little tip for you guys, when managing this, you can add right here to not allowed to use JavaScript and allowed to use JavaScript on which site do you want. Just click add. After clicking add, type in the site's URL or the site's, for example, youtube.com. There you go. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.